Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and let's tap on My Device. Here we've got the backup and reset option, so let's tap on it, and after scrolling a little we can see the Google Backup section. Now the backup is on. If you have it turned off, just tap on the switcher here to turn it on. And as you can see, it is on. Now we have to add backup account, so let's tap on it and make sure that you are connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And as you can see from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own and it is required, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, and after that click on next. Here we have to enter our password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and let's click on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, we can read them, simply tap on it. And here we've got all the info. Let's click on I agree. Now we've got a backup and storage info. Click on accept. And now your device is telling you what the backup includes, so it will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's click on OK. And as you can see, the backup account has been successfully added, and from now on, all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.